This
Is it
conference will now be recorded.
okay? Then
Then
what else?
mm, that's it only. Yes.
Hmm?
Huh. Huh.
Okay, fine. Let me start it up. Are you able to
Okay.
see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. If you have any doubts, immediately you just let me know so that I can clarify. Okay, no?
Okay.
Yeah. First, Python. It is a programming language which is designed for performing all kinds of our console-based, system-based, web-based, and machine learning, artificial intelligence. These kind of programming operations, if you need to perform. If you need to perform operations on any of these concepts, this Python programming language will help you to do that. Clear, right?
Okay.
Well, this particular Python, it is not a new programming language which is introduced into the market. This is very old. Around 1993, this Python they have introduced initially. But during those days, because of Java domination, Python is not considered highly. Clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because of Java domination, Python was not considered highly. Recently, what happened from 2015, automation is improved in the market. Most of the people they are looking for automation, artificial intelligence in the market
Hmm.
for performing automation, artificial intelligence, these kind of operations. If you just take up we just take out Java, what will happen in Java also you can do all kinds of operations. But the
Okay.
problem with Java is recently Java from 2015 Java is taken over by Oracle. I hope you are aware of it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, where that Oracle people they are a little bit greedy. They
Hmm.
made Java as a licensed version software.
Okay.
From this year onwards, they have made a Java as licensed version. So most of the Java developers they are not moving towards Java only. They are looking
Hmm.
for some other alternative to develop their projects.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, the best alternative they have found in the market is
Python.
this is meant for developing any kind of applications, either system-based, web-based, mobile-based, artificial intelligence. Everything can be done by taking the help of your
Python.
Python. Clear, right?
Yes.
Next. Next important thing is under Python we have got so many set of libraries available.
Hmm.
It's not like a few libraries. With respect to Java, we used to have libraries. Of course, a good amount of libraries available. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah. With respect to Python, we have got a very high amount of libraries available, where those libraries will help you to perform so many high level operations also very easily. Clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose if you want to do any complex programming, if you need to develop any huge set of reports, all these things easily you can develop it by taking the help of Python. That is why most of the people they are moving towards Python. Of course, security is there, platform independent, browser independent, like this, many
Hmm.
features we have got it in Python. At the
Okay.
same time, for a newcomers who wants to understand Python, they can understand Python programming language very easily. With
Hmm. Hello.
now you are able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, some network fluctuation might be.
Hmm.
Okay, so as we have got all the features, everybody started moving to this, and for initial developers also, it is very easy to learn this particular Python programming language.
Okay.
That is what the major important things what we have to consider with respect to Python. Okay, no?
Okay.
So we have considered so many advantages, right? Then what is the disadvantage of Python?
Due to this interpreter programming language, it will take huge time to execute the program because
No, no,
it
no.
is executing line by line.
See, interpreted programming language will be faster than
Okay.
compiled programming language. I think
But
someone
the
has given information.
execution, yes, yes.
See, let me tell you what is that. Okay, no? How that
Okay.
works, basic.
Hmm.
What is compiler? What is interpreter?
Compiler first will execute the programming. If there are any errors, it will stop the programming and it will show the error. While in interpreter, it will execute the program line by line. If the line will execute, then only it will goes to the next line.
Okay, fine. See, basically, whatever the code we are writing in Python, this is what called as high level program, high level code.
Uh,
Correct?
yes.
Basically, this high level code cannot be understandable by your machine. Machine can understand only zeros and ones. Correct,
Binary.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, our program to machine level code.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
If you need to convert program to machine level code, whole program at a time, high level to machine level to high level, whole program if you want to convert at a time, then you can take the help of compiler.
Then, okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Now, what happens by taking the help of compiler is it will read complete program. It will store it into some temporary memory. Clear, right?
Yes.
Because it has collected complete program, so it will store it into some temporary memory. From temporary memory, it will pick up the data and it will convert into machine level.
Yes. Okay.
Clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
So here it has to visit the compiler. It has to visit some third party space. There it has to store and whole program it has to convert like this. Step by step, multiple steps it will traverse. Correct,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Because of this, performance will be degraded. Got my point, right?
Can you please explain once?
See, here it has to go from program to temporary memory.
Huh.
Temporary memory to your machine. Again, from
Okay.
machine to temporary memory to your program.
Okay.
In many places, it has to visit the control.
Hmm.
Because of which, performance of your program will be degraded.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got
Clear,
it.
right?
Yes.
Hmm. At the same time, compiler, usually if you just check it out, it will be it will take lot of time also because of this many visitings. It will waste your memory. It will take lot of time also. Clear, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Next, which are the programming languages which are compiled programming languages in the sense C, C++, these are all compiled programming
Compiler.
language.
Hmm.
Clear, right? Those
Yeah.
programming
Clear.
languages will give more priority for compiler only.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I have one doubt. Python is
Yeah,
having compiler or it doesn't have compiler.
it has compiler, but it will give priority for interpreter.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Next. Next thing. And this, what you say, compiler. Next important thing, what I have to mention about compiler is here, this compiler, uh, here the performance will be down, memory wastage will be there, and as it is reading huge set of program. Got my point, right?
Huh.
As it is reading huge set of program, there is a issue that it might be ignoring warnings also.
Hmm.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Small warnings it will be ignoring. Only huge errors it will highlight.
Okay.
So compiler will not be used for high level real time projects. Remember this.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So our Python, Java, these all the programming languages which are considered as interpreted programming languages.
Hmm.
Okay, no?
Okay.
Next. Next we have got interpreter. How that works in the sense. Interpreter usually it takes the code. Okay, no?
Okay.
Your program will be there, interpreter will be there, and a machine will be there. What
Hmm.
this will do, it will take one line, it will convert. It will take one line, it will convert. Got my point, right?
Yes.
Line by line, it will be converting.
Huh.
Clear? When it
Yes.
is converting line by line, if there is any issue like warnings, all these things arises,
Hmm.
automatically it returns that particular warnings also.
Okay.
Highlight that particular warnings. It is not only meant for highlighting errors, it will highlight your warnings also.
Hmm.
That is why everybody prefers going with interpreter than compiler. Okay, no? So
Okay.
that each and everything, each and every bug we can rectify it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, no?
Okay.
Can I have next one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next. Now, which is the version of Python we are using?
3.7.
Yeah. See, usually, if you just check it out, Python, we have got totally two different versions of Python available in the market. One
Hmm.
is 2.x.
2.7. Yeah. And 3.x.
Yeah, 2.x is there as well as 3.x is there. That is 3.x is 3.7.4 currently available in the market, latest version.
Okay.
Okay. Next, when it comes to 2.x, it is just a older version. At the same time, for older legacy projects, we will take the help of this particular 2.x. Okay, na?
Okay.
And that will not be as per market trends.
Hmm.
So I suggest you not to go with 2.x. And one more thing, this what do you say, Python people, which they have announced to us from 2020, they are not providing any updates with
Support.
respect to 2.x.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now come back to this one, 3.x. Under 3.x, we have got what do you say, 3.7.4 as a latest version. We prefer that one only.
Hmm.
Okay, na?
Okay.
And have you installed Python into your machine?
Yeah.
So is it working fine?
Yeah. It's working fine.
So while installation, did you do any checks or something?
For Python interpreter or PyCharm?
I'm speaking about Python.
Python, I haven't modified anything.
Okay, let me tell you. I have installed Python already, so I cannot show you the installation again. So I have to show you one important step over here. What is that step? Let me show you now.
Hmm.
See, when you are installing Python, you will get this kind of window, right? This will be the first window. I think you might have observed. Correct now?
Wait, wait.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Whenever you got this kind of window,
Hmm.
you have to select this option. I don't know whether you have selected this or not.
Install launcher of all users. Yes. I have selected this.
You have selected. Okay. If you have selected this, no need to worry about. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yeah. As I have selected this particular thing,
Like,
I have
can you
selected this.
explain
Sorry,
what if we don't select this option?
I'm going to tell you that only.
Okay.
As we have selected this particular thing, you can
Hmm.
execute Python program in any drive.
Okay.
Let's say in your machine, suppose if you have C drive, D drive, E drive, some other drives like this,
Hmm.
in any drive, if you want to execute your Python program, you have to select this particular option.
Okay.
If you didn't select this option, what will happen? Exactly in the location where the Python is installed, you should go to that location and execute your Python program.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It will not give the freedom for you to go and execute wherever you want.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Okay. That is what the thing which we have to consider while installation. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So, what are the drawbacks with respect to Python? If you
Drawbacks is
hmm, any drawbacks?
yeah. There are one drawback is there.
What is that? See, any developer you ask
Hmm.
who is using Python, the first
Okay.
thing, are you facing any issue with respect to Python in the sense? First important point, what he will be saying is indentation, alignment.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Basically, Python programming language will give more priority for alignments.
Hmm.
If your code is not aligned properly, that will throw an exception.
Hmm.
Good point, right? So
Yes.
most of the people they will be saying that we are facing the issues with alignment of our code.
Hmm.
Okay, na? And how to
Okay.
resolve that particular issues, all those things with respect to PyCharm, I will show it to you later. Okay,
Okay.
Ramesh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
fine. Where that is one issue. Next thing, what they will be saying is with respect to Python, the team community is very strong. Okay.
Community.
Hmm. The
Okay.
Python community, Python development is very strong.
Okay.
Where, as per software development life cycle, the
Huh.
rule is you can give the new releases of the software after 90 days.
Hmm.
Let's say I have released 3.7.4 right now.
Hmm.
New version update, I have to provide it after 90 days. Because
Okay.
within the 90 days, all the users, they will get adjusted with the release, whatever happened so far.
Okay.
So, as per software development lifecycle, they'll suggest us to release new releases, new changes after 90 days. Got my point,
Hmm.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Huh. When it comes to Python people, exactly after 90 days, they will be providing us new changes.
Every 90 days.
Exactly after 90
90
days,
days.
they'll provide new changes. New updates will be provided. So you
Okay.
need to be very careful with this particular Python. If you missed out two or three releases, it is
Hmm.
just like a major update will happen with
Hmm.
respect to your Python. So you
Okay.
have to be very careful and you should develop your updating skills every time. If you are not
Hmm.
updating yourself, then you'll be into trouble only with respect to Python.
Okay.
That is what most of the Python developers they'll say that only. We are
Hmm.
facing issues with this updates. Every time we are getting updates, we have to keep on learning this new technologies is what they'll say.
Hmm. Okay. But
Yeah, right?
if you know the previous versions, it will be easy to understand the upcoming versions, right?
Yes, you can understand. That's what.
Okay.
Yeah, right. That's why I'm telling you.
Okay. But is it mandatory to use the updated versions,
Is
or
it
else we can use?
mandatory to use updated versions in the sense sometimes in companies they will be preferring updated versions only as per market trend they'll be
But it
expecting.
is changing for 90 days, no? Every 90 days. It is difficult sometimes.
See what will happen. Let's say I have downloaded 3.7.4.
Hmm.
I will develop my project with that particular version only and I'll release it.
Okay.
If I take update, I have to think about other
Hmm.
things. Correct now?
Hmm. Yes.
Any doubts so far?
No, no.
Okay. Can I have the next one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have installed the JDK, we have set the path. Same way, here we will be installing Python, we will be
Hmm.
setting the path, everything we have set. Fine, right?
Okay. Okay.
Now, here, what is your, what do you say, REPL?
Repel.
Hmm.
Don't know.
Sorry?
I don't know.
Okay. REPL full form is read, evaluate, print, loop.
Okay. Repel. RAPL. Okay.
Hmm?
Level. Print loop. Okay.
Got my point, right? What is meant by REPL?
Read, evaluate, print, and loop.
Yeah, what is the meaning?
Meaning, first it will read the loop. After
Hmm.
that, it will evaluate.
Yeah, what is that basically?
And no.
Read, evaluate, print loop. This is what a feature which is derived from what you say Linux environment.
Okay.
Okay, no? From Linux environment, we have got this feature within our Python programming language. What is the use of this particular feature is whenever if you want to develop any program, okay, no?
Mm. Okay.
Whenever if you want to develop any program, instead
Mm.
of what you say developing a big program and getting failed in that area, first thing what you can do is you develop the logic, you execute the logic, check it out. If it
Okay.
is working fine, then you implement it as complete program.
Okay.
That particular concept is called as REPL. Okay, na?
Yeah. Okay.
How this REPL will be there? Let me show it to you right now. Okay, yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Go to command prompt, type
Mm.
Python. This is what your REPL screen is all about.
Okay.
Okay, no?
Okay.
So here, whatever the logic you want, you can execute it. You can get to know whether it is working fine or not. If it is working fine, then you start implementing it as a program. If it is
Mm.
not working fine, then what you have to do, you have to fix the code here itself. Make yourself compatible with the code. Once everything is ready, then only you just implement it as complete program. Okay,
Okay.
na?
Okay.
Now, let me show you how the code will be there, how we can execute it and test it over here.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
yeah. Now, let me take one simple addition of two numbers. See, a equal to 10. Here in Python, we don't need to have any variable declarations. Got my
Yes.
point, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
We don't need to declare any variables. We don't need to specify any types. Directly, you can start
Dynamically.
storing the value into that memory.
Okay.
Now, a equal to 10 I have mentioned, which means a is a variable which is holding the value 10.
10.
And right now that variable a will be specified as a type integer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's say if I store it as 10.5, this will be considered as
Float.
okay. A equal to hello.
It will be string.
Yes. Like this, there is no restriction for specific type where you can create variables and you can utilize it with the different values. Based on the values you are assigning, the variable types will be
Variable.
changed.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now I'll assign back a equal to 10. Now what is there in a?
10. Integer.
What happens to previous values?
It will be modified. The last execution, the last assigned value
Hmm.
will be present in the A.
Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, b equal to 20. I have got one more variable which is assigned with the value 20. Then c equal to a plus b. I'm performing addition of A and B. I'm storing the result into C. Clear,
C.
right?
Yes.
Now, what is there in C? If you want to see,
30.
and take the help of print C.
Hmm.
It generates output as 30. Right?
Okay. Yes.
So instead of this, if you want to print a sum equal to comma, it will display sum equal to
Okay.
that.
Value.
Clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Any doubts so far?
No. No.
Yes. Can I proceed with next one?
Yeah.
Hmm. Next. Same thing. Instead of what you say, instead of going with this particular REPL and executing your programs in this fashion, you can write a same code into one particular program and execute that program.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. How that what do you say program can be written? How to execute that program? Let me show you right now.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay.
I can go to any location. Okay. Because right now while installing Python, I have selected the path. Right now I can go to any drive, any location. I
Okay.
can my program from that location onwards. Clear, right?
Okay. Okay.
So what I will do, I'll create one folder over here.
Hmm.
Mm, simple folder I have created. I'll have a text document.
Hmm.
Okay, now
Okay.
I'll open this text document and I'll type my program over here.
Okay.
A equal to 10, B equal to 20,
And three
C
equal
equal
to
to A plus B, print C. Okay, now
okay.
I'll type my program over here and I will save this program as
Dot
what,
py.
okay, now?
Dot. Yeah.
Yeah, first dot py.
Py.
In Windows, I'm speaking about Windows operating system.
Okay.
Windows operating system, by default, it will take every file as text file.
Hmm. Okay.
I hope you are aware of it. Correct now?
Yes.
Now, to denote that it is not a text file, it is a Python file, what we have to do,
Dot
we
py
have
extension.
here it is py only.
Okay. Okay.
Even if it is .py, it will start adding extra extension
Hmm.
.txt.
Okay.
So instead of taking it as a text file, I'll tell this particular Windows operating system to take it as Python file. Where is this Python? Yeah, this one.
Hmm. Okay.
I'll tell it to take this one as Python file.
Hmm.
Clear, right?
Yes.
So either you can select save file type as Python.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you can let it keep this one as you can specify like this also.
Okay.
Then you start saving the code. Once if you
Hmm.
save the code, the file name is first.py. Clear,
Py.
right?
Okay. Yes.
Now you just go and check it out. It is your Python file.
Hmm.
Now we'll go to this location. I will execute Python
first starting.
Yes. In this way, you can execute your Python program.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No, no.
Okay. This is what a simple Python program just meant for performing addition of two numbers and prints the result over here. Okay, no?
Okay.
Okay. Now we will get into next one. See, one thing I'll tell you. For today's session, I will show you execution with respect to command prompt only.
Hmm. Okay.
From tomorrow's session, I can show you what is PyCharm tool, how to make use of PyCharm tool, all those things. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yeah, we have got so many other tools available in the market for executing Python programs. Like PyCharm is there, Eclipse is there. Like this, different tools are available in the market. Got my
Yes.
point, right?
Yes. Yes.
A highly preferred tool is PyCharm.
Python only.
If you want, you can download Eclipse. Within that, again, you have to download a Python plugin.
Yeah.
But here, this tool, PyCharm tool, is specifically designed for executing Python programs.
Okay.
How to download that, how to execute. In tomorrow's session, I'll show you. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now we will continue with other concepts of Python.
Hmm.
So, what is meant by control structure?
Control structure.
Hmm.
The flow of execution. The flow of control.
Okay. Control structures are the keywords. If you want, you can make a note of this.
Okay.
So you are aware of Python then already.
Yes. Yes. I was aware.
Then why you want this Python then?
Like I was prepared only the theoretical part and coming to real time, I have some doubts on some particular topics only. So to clarify that, I want the training.
Okay, okay.
Actually, I
Fine.
have installed PyCharm and worked on the Django projects also. Created some projects.
Okay, okay. Hmm. So right on heading.
Okay.
What is that? Control structures. Control
Hmm.
structures are the keywords. Control structures are the keywords, which
Hmm.
is meant for which is meant for controlling the flow of programs.
Hmm.
Okay, na?
Okay.
Which are the control structures available?
Yeah. So loops for loop, while loop for loop,
Hmm.
and break, pause.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, many are there.
Okay.
Some more.
If else, for loop, while loop.
Hmm.
Next, we can take the help of our switch concepts, everything. Got my point, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, under this, how this if will be there, we are going to see right now.
Okay.
You can check it out. This is the program for if. Okay, na?
Hmm. Okay.
As I said, indentation is a mandatory thing what you have to consider with respect to Python.
Hmm.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Now, if you just check it out, here I have got one variable with the name A and it is holding the value 1000.
Mm.
We have got one more variable with the name B which is holding the value 2000. Clear, right?
Yes.
Next, we are checking the condition if A is greater than B. Okay?
Okay.
Whether the condition is true or false.
It's false.
Yes. If condition is true, it will enter into this, then it will come out like this. Okay, no?
Okay.
If condition is false, it will go to this. I mean, it will go to this directly. It will not enter into this A is greater.
Mm. Yes.
Any doubts?
Yeah. No. No.
Okay. See, basically, to provide a statement to denote that this is a statement available under if, we
Mm.
have to provide at least one space over here.
Yeah.
At least one space need to be provided.
Okay.
Where in companies to make it look better way, usually programmers follow one tab space.
Mm. Tabs.
Clear, right?
Yes.
So here I am providing one tab space so that it denotes that A is greater, which is a part of if condition.
If condition. Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me execute that. Go to this location. Here I am there in that location where exactly my Python program is there. Then I will execute python if.py. See it displays end.
And
Clear, right?
yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay, fine. Now next write down if else. It is a control structure.
If.
It is a control structure
Mm.
which is meant for checking two conditions at a time.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. It is a control structure which is meant for checking two conditions at a time. Now, how this if else will be there? Let me show you now.
Mm.
Okay, now?
Okay.
Yeah. And as I said, it is indentation you need to be considered over here. At the same time, this is case sensitive also. You need to
Okay.
be very careful with the uppercase and lowercase letters, whatever you are writing.
Mm.
Now, let me show you how that if else will be there. See, I have got two variables over here. A is
Mm.
5000, B is 800. If A is greater than B, condition is true or false?
True.
Hmm. If condition is true,
20
this
is
will get
is
executed.
yes.
Then it will come out to end.
To end.
Clear, right?
Mm. Yes.
If condition is false, it
It
will
will
go
goes
to
to
portion.
the
It will print is greater and it will come out.
okay.
Clear, right?
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No doubt.
Okay. A is greater and
Mm.
okay.
Okay.
Can I have an next one?
Yeah.
Hmm. What is if L if?
And it is also a control state.
Sorry?
If L,
Hmm. Tell me.
mm.
Written about if L if. If L if is a control structure. If L if is a control structure which
Mm.
is meant for, you know,
Okay.
if L if is a control structure which is meant for checking more than two conditions at a time.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hmm. So here, if you just check it out, see here I have got three variables available where A is greater than B and A is greater than C. I'm checking between A and B, A and C. I'm checking the condition. If A is greater than among B and C, it will display A is greater.
Is greater.
Else, we will go to else portion. Here again, we are checking one condition. Got
Mm.
my point, right?
Yes.
Here, what is happening on condition it is checking whether B is greater than C. Here already we have checked between A with other two numbers.
Mm.
So if A has not satisfied, we don't need to compare with A again. So
Okay.
between B and C, whichever is greater. If
Mm.
B is greater, it will display B is greater. Else we'll go to else portion. Will display C is
Is
greater.
is greater.
Got my point, right?
Mm.
Hmm. See, this is in other programming languages. If you just check it out, it will be else if.
Mm.
But here it is designed like elif.
L if L if.
Okay.
Mm.
Any doubts so far? No. C is greater.
Greater.
Okay, no?
Okay.
Next, what is for loop?
For,
Tell me, sir.
mm.
Hmm.
For if
For
any
loop. For
value
loop.
present in the range of 10, it will display the numbers.
Okay. Basically, for loop is a control structure which is meant for repeating the operations till the condition satisfied.
Okay.
Okay, no?
Okay.
This is meant for repeating the operations till the condition satisfied. Now, here if you just check it out, the for loop for I in range of 10. Basically, range in the sense it will start its range from 0.
0. Mm. And ends.
Okay. First 0 will be stored into I, will print 0 over here. Then 1, 2, 3, like this, one by
Mm.
one, we'll be fetching and we'll be displaying over here. Clear, right?
Mm.
Hmm.
Yes.
Now, let me execute this. 0 to 9 we'll get.
No.
Clear, right? Suppose if you want a starting point to be something else in the sense, you can specify starting point something like this.
Okay.
See, it starts from 1, it will go till 9.
Hmm.
Clear, right?
Yes.
No, I don't want the values uh, to increment one by one. By default, it will be incrementing one by one.
Hmm.
Got the point, right?
Yeah.
If you don't want the values to be incremented one by one, you can take the help of multi-incrementation in this fashion.
Hmm.
Let's say if I need to increment by 2, if I specify 2 in the sense, it increments the value by 2. So it will go like this: 1, 3, 5. From 1,
Okay.
two incrementations are happening. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It will be
Okay.
incremented. Clear, right?
Hmm.
Any doubts so far?
No doubts.
So in this way, what will happen? We will get for loop with different ranges. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay. Next, what is while loop?
While loop is a control structure, it will execute while the condition satisfied.
Yeah.
If
What is the difference between for loop and while loop?
for loop in for loop till condition satisfies, it will be executing.
Hmm.
In while loop, if the condition satisfies only, it will execute.
Okay. Basically, while loop is also called as pre-tested loop. Okay, na?
Okay.
While loop is also called as pre-tested loop. First, it will check the condition, then it performs the operation.
Hmm.
Clear, right?
Hmm.
Any doubts so far?
Hmm.
Okay. How that while loop will be there? Let me show you right now.
Hmm.
See, first I is 0. 0 is less than 10. We'll print the value. Then we are incrementing. So 1 will be less than 10. We'll print, we'll increment, we'll print, we'll increment. Like this, till
Hmm.
10, we'll be printing, we'll be incrementing. Once it reaches to 10, it will come out. While coming out, it prints end also.
Hmm.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Now, let me show you how that. See, this is how the result will be generated. Clear?
Hmm.
This is what your for loop, while loop is all about. Okay.
Okay.
Next, what are the other things? I mean, what are the functions available? How many ways we can provide the functions? All those things. In tomorrow's session, we are going to
Yeah.
start it up.
Okay.
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 Fine. See you tomorrow exactly
Hmm.
at 9 o'clock.
And can you share
Okay.
the documents for
I'll share the documents. Not an issue with that. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Bye.
Bye.